कैसे देख हाथ पैर maid is not coming.
Don't show that.
So these are. Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
a very good morning. We just woke up. We are in our bedroom right now, and we just got to know maid is not coming. So full. We have the thing that we had planned went for a toss early in the morning. So now we need to figure out what's going to be there for lunch, dinner, breakfast. अभी देख लेंगे क्या सीन है वो तो हो जाता है. But let's see what to do. What are we planning? Should we
I have no idea what
getting
we are
bread butter?
planning.
Bread butter खा के पक गया. Dosa also I don't want. I'm craving to have some sandwiches like those we used to have in
masala
Cooper
ones.
Cafe quite a lot.
Yeah.
So we'll order that then. Yes. ठीक है तो I'll place an order for
And
the
this
same.
is as good as our brunch.
हाँ actually
So
yeah.
I think that हम लोग का lunch भी sort हो
Yes,
जाएगा.
Hriday has gone to school. He's therefore we couldn't record early in the morning because we had a lot going in the morning. Once we came to that she's not coming, तो पूरा हल्ला उल्ला हुआ सुबह को. But ठीक है, I mean that's how it is. And बगू आजचा दिवस.
कैसा रहा तू? You left tea?
Yeah, I'll have to. Hey, what happened to your cheek?
This.
Uh,
I have put some antibiotic.
for what?
अरे I've got those scars, no? तो वो
1 minute. Need
ठीक
put
है.
light. What is it? I can't understand only.
Don't show that.
अरे अभी तो इतना दिखा रही है vlog में तो
Okay.
don't show
अरे,
that.
I got those acne marks, so I put some antibiotic powder over there.
Oh, okay. ठीक है चल you're making tea now.
Yes.
I'm going just freshening up. ठीक है. Our parcel of sandwiches are here. Baby, आया. चल प्लेट्स निकालना.
प्लेट्स की जरूरत नहीं है.
क्यों? अच्छा ये बॉक्स में डायरेक्टली खाएंगे.
हाँ.
ठीक है चलो चाय रेडी हो गया.
Making.
ये डाला भी नहीं तूने अभी तक. बेबी मैं पूरा वॉश करके आया और क्या कर रही थी? Your coffee also you didn't make? What baby? चलो फटाफट I'll help you. So these are our sandwiches. अरे बेबी वेफर्स नहीं दिए क्या उन लोग ने?
नहीं दिया इसने.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
I think that one is from वो हम लोग पोकर खेलने में दूसरे प्लेस से मंगाते थे ना.
हाँ, so there they give wafers and all.
Yeah.
Hey, today you write the actor, baby. It was raining the entire night. We should not have the same scenario. कल भी नहीं गए हम लोग.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
वापस खराब हो जाएगा.
हाँ ठीक है. चलो, what are we watching? Chosen again?
Yeah, let's watch some.
ठीक है.
Tom now, get into debt.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Dada.
Good afternoon. How was your school? What happened with that assembly thing? Did you do it today?
I did.
What did the teacher say? How was it? What did you speak? What did you say?
I just had to announce, what do you say, the dots and all. I had to
The dots?
No, I had to announce the children who are telling the thoughts and all.
Thoughts.
Thoughts, facts, quiz.
Oh, how was it? Did you get nervous? You got nervous? How come? Wait, show your face. How come you got nervous? He got nervous, it seems. He got nervous, it seems. About speaking on the mic.
It's okay first. Let's have you overcome this page.
3, 4 kisses, 5 kisses you got. I didn't even get 1 kiss till now. 5 you got.
3! Mama, why is this big like that? 3 now? Told you now?
Time to give Chester food. Yes, Boo Boo. Chester. Hey, Chester. काय रे पर गया तो गरम करके क्या दे रही है इसको?
Rice.
Oh, we're giving him rice. Who wants rice? My Chester wants rice.
Chester one rice. Giving. Ooh, hot.
You tasty or rice here? Yeah, I know.
Babu.
We are giving you small portions, huh? तो ज़्यादा खा रहा है अभी.
Wait.
This is our task.
Take him. Does not listen. Go there. Go to Dada.
Come here,
Go
Chester.
Chester. Go
Come take.
to Dada.
Chester, take. Who wants food?
Told you to hold him, no.
What रे baby? It's okay. पूरा साफ करेगा. कैसे देख हाथ पैर देख पीछे उसका दोनों.
That's why we need to hold him and then the other person has to serve him food. He's not yet trained to actually wait and then eat. He always ends up dropping his food if मतलब हम लोग ने ऐसे रखा तो it's a challenge. That's why one of us holds him.
Correct.
फिर we serve him and then he eats. नहीं तो ऐसा गिरा देता है.
Correct. Luckily, auntie cleaned the entire balcony for.
Yeah, you have to clean it.
So as you all know, auntie is not coming today to cook. She's on her leave. But what are you doing, baby?
TV के लिए making things ready.
हाँ. So today, baby also is not cooking, nor am I cooking.
No time.
So no time, yeah, because we have other work to do, and also I'll be recording another video today for Faith Over Feelings channel, and preparing for that. That's going to be something exciting. With due time, I'll tell you what exactly the video is. And now we have ordered from a place, and it is like Subway, but not Subway, of course. So we'll show that to you. But their packaging is amazing. Their boxes are, so you don't need to use plates. उसमें से ही खाने का. So it saves on washing utensils and saves on water as well. And anything else you want to tell, baby? Are you planning to go
Let's
down or
walk
something? हाँ, are you planning to go down or something?
I want to.
हाँ.
Let's see. At least मेरे को actually वो scooty बना के आया तो I want to go on one ride
Right.
and come.
Yes. So as I said, this is how the boxes are, and they are not these fragile boxes. They are these hard boxes. चलो yours is veg baby, तो वो तेरा ही है. हृदय का ये है. हृदय, take darling.
And this is babies.
Yes, that's mine. चलो, let's enjoy. We'll show you what's inside, of course. क्या फायदा था डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए वो जब टेबल में आना था. I gave everybody their boxes. So this is my. अरे इसमें भी forgot.
Now we'll open.
Yeah. What are you watching? Big Bang Theory. Baby,
Mama, na, we let you watch whatever you want, na?
When?
Morning.
चलेगा?
That was 2 months back.
हाँ, but then I allow you to watch whatever you
I allow.
want. That is
But-
not allowed.
Hello, I have no say in all this. I listen to Mama. I
I
ask her permission before saying can I watch this and all.
No, you
Drama.
directly tell me only to put.
We are going.
Making plates to sit.
Yeah, we have moved the sofa from there because that's our recording area.
Chalo. This is Hriday's or what?
Red. Veg.
Both the same?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
So open yours and then Hriday will show. Maybe वो
I
base
love
है.
this. इन लोगों का quantity बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ, and it's quite reasonable also.
See, it looks so good.
That is
Yum,
yours, veg. Hriday, show yours. Baby, please help him. He's like Chester, he'll drop his food
I'm
then.
not like Chester.
Oh.
He is a good boy.
Mama, tell him that
But still, I miss Subway. Maybe we'll have Subway day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Chalo. What are we watching, Chosen? Ah, okay. Continue. Hey, we want to watch the 10 Commandments. Let's do that at least.
We watched.
You all didn't watch
Ah,
the
we
one that
watched
I
the
wanted.
others,
Yeah, I want you all to watch that 10 Commandments we'll watch.
Okay.
How did you like that not so Subway thing?
It was good. I like that chutney.
I am not a fan of their chutney. I always prefer Subway. I don't know, this bread wasn't actually going well with the items, and there was no lettuce. That was a big drawback. So,
हाँ उसको भी
abhi realize हुआ. So, had they put in some more veggies and chicken tikka बोला था, पर वो chicken tikka था ही नहीं. It was
तंदूरी
just
लग रहा था
मेरे को नहीं लग रहा था वो. But then ठीक
I
है.
didn't eat chicken, but I had हृदय
But ठीक है, it was filling. That is one thing I give it.
Filling
था ना. I'm good for the next 3 hours. हृदय का पता नहीं वो 1 घंटे के बाद आएगा. I'm hungry. बोल के. Fast organism. Metabolism you mean?
कल ही साइंस पेपर हुआ है तो too much of biology.
Biology. ठीक है. And what are we planning to do now?
Now we'll take a nap.
Okay.
It's been
You take a nap. I will go and do some editing of vlogs. I have to even upload a vlog as yet. So वो सब करेगा मैं काम. तू सो जा. And today, what are you planning to do? Some drawing or something? Okay, good. Chalo then. See you guys.
dancing.
I can do it better, but I'm not saying it's like I can do it better than you.
So now we are going down.
Hey, don't show me. You show yourself. You are dressed, not me. No, wait, what is this? See, this is from Myntra you bought, no?
Yes.
Nice. Looks good. उधर आया है ना. चल चल ना आया. Go take out the actor. It's kept right here. What?
इतना कोने में ही रख के.
See, you don't even need it. You can write it and take it also left.
Show them our new Activa now.
New कुछ नहीं है भाई.
जो अभी new हो
Newly
गया है.
serviced you can say.
Oh, इसके अंदर का this is not there ना?
नहीं.
Cloth and all.
I told you no. So just I'll just remove it.
Darling, come behind. Come this side.
Servicing अच्छा किया है बंदे.
It's good.
Yeah, but you be careful because.
Yeah. He's going till there and he's talking, thinking like he has a mic.
Accelerator is way too smooth. It's powerful now.
चलो हृदय
भाई
से.
तू पीछे बैठ. umbrella तो पकड़ रही है. Don't hit anybody like that. ऐसे बात.
जास्त मस्ती नको करा. दोघही कळालं.
Helmet.
हा हेल्मेट. Maybe so on our way back we'll go to Kisan Connect.
Next step is I won't even trim my beard and all.
हाँ, so we can go.
Yeah, but I didn't get mobile, so we'll have to do payments.
हाँ, I'll do.
Good.
I'll also get my eyebrows done.
Fine.
And Hriday also can cut his hair. Cucumber.
Bag में डालो.
No, only 2, no?
250 grams.
Beet you want?
No.
Yeah, beetroot.
This is what we've all purchased, baby. Baby juggling with the bread and potatoes and whatnot. Hriday is holding the umbrella. Chalo,
We
let's go.
need to keep things back in our dicky.
Yeah. Luckily, the dicky is empty. I had removed all the documentation, so we have ample of space. Oh. चाबी किधर है? मोबाइल इधर ओपन. चलो पट. बहुत बड़ा है ये गोभी. हृदय का हेड जैसा है. अरे वो डाडा से ना. ओके डाडा. हाँ, it looks so. What if you're comparing the size it to your head? चलो. Now where next? Got done. Look at that. Beard perfect. Eyebrows done. Yeah. Chalo, let's go home now. Are we going home? Chalo. Without auntie, difficult, no?
Very. क्या बनाने का समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
So what?
Actually सुबह बनाते तो फिर भी होता.
Correct.
But वो होता ना, you don't have the energy early morning. And then ये वो.
So what are you making now? What is in this?
This is
Fried chicken.
chicken fry.
Okay. Boneless.
अभी हो रहा है वो अब fry.
Boneless.
Yeah.
So, my lens. Let me clean it, please. Wait.
There is some
Yippee.
unhealthy noodles which we are not supposed to have, but just having.
And of course, you've got Yummy's momos, which is all ready here. But show it to you. They go ready. This is how we steam the momos. And Charlie Coco are here. How are you, Bubush? Hey, don't do that, Charlie. Those are the momos. This is the chicken fry. These are the noodles. And of course, this is the chutney for momos. Let's begin.
Kakadi. Oh, wow. Wow. Chanlu. What is this? तीनों भी ऐसे मस्त सोए हैं. चलो, go to your bed.
Oh, watching.
At least pause. I'm taking a video.
Anyway,
What you're watching?
shorts, reels.
What?
He's also young. Coco.
No school or tomorrow, Hriday? Tomorrow finally we'll get to eat food. Auntie का.
Today also it shouldn't. But क्या ही करे यार? We also busy. I also earn my calls. ये वो and all.
And in all this we had to get our things also done. अभी इसका haircut था. तेरा haircut था. You also have show and all.
Correct.
कोई
And
नहीं.
not only that, Saturday we have to go to church as well.
Yeah, there's a special mass.
Yeah, we have our friends who are going to have something special happening in the church, so we're going to support them. That's what we are going to do. And now, should we sign off, baby? Then
Yes, chalo,
Yeah.
you two sign off today
yes.
with
so,
Coco and Chal. Look at this one. Chalu.
So we're going to sign off now. So asa hota amsa purna divas. Ha video आवडला असेल तर
लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय. ए गुड्डू. Coco.
करा.